back in now.
Sure, I'll back it in.
The liquid fluid,
Don't want your truck. Truck's right there. I don't need your truck. It's gonna be there all day. I'm just asking, man.
Let's begin with those essential tips and tricks you'll need to make up to $600,000.
Try.
Get 20 bucks.
See?
What's the matter? Is that a sneezy itch?
Don't know, man. Well, understandably, Bob is.
What's the matter, silly dog?
Oh.
A big yawn.